Hey folks! Today, we're diving into a topic that many dog owners dread: worms. But don't worry. We're going to tackle this issue step by step so that you can help your furry friend live a healthier, happier life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment below. Alright, let's jump right in. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the problem. First and foremost, how do you know if your dog has worms? Common signs include scooting, vomiting, visible worms in feces or fur, or a bloated appearance. I want to stress that if you suspect your dog has worms, a confirmed diagnosis from a vet is essential. The Companion Animal Parasite Council stresses the importance of regular fecal tests to identify intestinal parasites. Step 2. Collect a fecal sample. Assuming you've observed symptoms, your next move is to collect a fecal sample from your dog. This sample will be crucial for the vet's diagnosis. Use a plastic bag or disposable glove to collect some feces, and then store it in a sealed container. Step 3. Visit the vet. Take the fecal sample and your dog to the vet for a comprehensive exam. Your vet will likely run a fecal flow test to identify the type of worms. Knowing the type is crucial for effective treatment. For example, the American Veterinary Medical Association highlights that treatments can vary for different kinds of worms like tapeworms, roundworms, etc. Step 4. Obtain medication. Once your vet identifies the type of worm, they'll prescribe the appropriate deworming medication. Always use vet-prescribed medication and follow their instructions closely. Deworming medications often require follow-up doses, so make sure to note these dates in your calendar. Step 5. Administer the medication. Administering medication is generally straightforward. Most deworming medications come in a chewable tablet or liquid form. Ensure that your dog ingests the entire dose for it to be effective. It's important to continue the medication as prescribed to ensure that all life stages of the worm are eradicated. Step 6. Maintain a clean environment. Part of effective treatment involves maintaining a clean environment. This will minimize the chances of reinfestation. Wash your dog's bedding, clean the kennel, and ensure their food and water bowls are clean. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, advises that cleanliness is key to preventing parasitic infections. Step 7. Follow-up. A follow-up appointment with your vet is necessary to confirm that the treatment has been effective. Usually, another fecal test will be performed to ensure that the worms are completely eradicated. So there you have it. Those are the steps to get rid of worms in your dog. This can be a stressful experience, but remember, it's a common issue and one that is solvable with proper care and attention. Before you go, if you found this video useful, please do us a favor by subscribing, sharing this video, and leaving a comment. Until next time, take care.